Hello, welcome to Riotouch. Today we will introduce to you how to use our NFC to binding different user account and how to use the fingerprint to log in different accounts. Open the setting and here user management. You can add another user. Put the user's name, Rita. Put any password we want and your fingerprint. Don't press login and successful then confirm. Then use the NFC card to close to here. Now already binding. Then you can confirm it. Now we'll switch to the Rita's account. All the resources will follow Rita's account. You can check. You see all the same different, and here will be different too. You can open the U file to check how the different. You see the internal resource and the quick share resource. Also the AI library will different with the owner account.